Hello traders, welcome to Forex Check. Today I'm going to show you one major challenge that every trader faces while using mobile MetaTrader 4. Before I continue, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so that once we drop a new video, you will get notified and won't miss out of any of our video. So before I continue, if you have your MetaTrader 4 installed on your phone, just quickly go to your MetaTrader 4. Most of the traders, especially new traders, they face this challenge. And today I'm going to solve that problem. Now, you will discover that once you open your MetaTrader 4 and you want to perform analysis on your charts, you discover that you cannot shift your chart to the left, only to the right. Meanwhile, you're not going to do your analysis on the right, but majorly on the left. But this is so annoying because you cannot draw your trend line as you desire, and this has frustrated a whole lot of traders. So I have come with a solution. So for you to get rid of this, you need to first of all long press on anywhere on the screen, anywhere on your screen, and there will be a vertical line between this time period separator. So this vertical line enables you to shift your chart to the left. So once you do that, you can see it very clearly now. This vertical line between the two last period separator. So the vertical line is there. That enables you to shift your chart to the left or to the right. Then this is the position I want now. I want it to be at this point. So I can just click on it and that line is off from the screen. So I can move my chart to the left and to the right now to my desired position. If here is not, if I'm not satisfied with this position, I can still long press on it and take it back or take it front based on the point that I need to put my chart. So with this, I believe that now you can extend your chart to the desired position and then draw your trend line like you wish. For instance, now let me take it back again, once again. Now imagine you have your chart this way and you cannot shift it to the left. Let me just draw a one trend line for you. Now I will draw a trend line and I need to take it back so that I can see it very well what is happening there. Now I can see that there is no way that I can draw it beyond this point, and it's so frustrating. If I cannot draw it beyond this point, why am I doing the analysis? Then you have to leave it. But now, by just long pressing on your screen and drag it this way, you can extend your trend line to your desired position as you wish and then continue your analysis. And I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoyed this video, please just give a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you next time as we drop expository videos on how to use mobile trading view and mobile MetaTrader 4 like a pro. Thanks for watching. See you next time.